I am on a mission. Na mission no ene say mema Ghana for you see mama mo ati ase say onipa dasani bia no eya na obi eye bibi too much my we take the person for granted onipa bia me see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama san the first year we atwemu no a lot of Ghanaians are taking things for granted but ye be yin one na yama Ghana for atiase dwumedia papa no wedi enyema bia MPP for ka kire yan na enyema bia nkrofo bi ka kire wo krom ha se enye yie da papa yi se ne wotumi aye ade na mende aye yie. We are going to talk about in this story muni amokai Emra MPP for years say womo air pass E-levy. At that time, a Supreme Court, the minority NDC for Eddie Assembly Court down Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges no e katre yen e wo krom ha. Ni be bisa question say, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa cancel E-levy no. The entire idea Supreme Court for katre yen say e besi no NC. A simple question. And then your first time or has subscribing and click the notification bell on so. Oye ne sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka ebusuafo me kan mo say me release me second book. I have released my second book. Na a book on a year investment in Ghana. Ope say baby a wodi usika betumi ato. Government approved a year a form of investment obetumi di usika den ato na da achi bi esi uye a mesre pe book we bi nato. If you want to learn how to invest in the Ghanaian stock exchange, because experts said the Ghanaian stock exchange is going to be a breeding grounds for the next set of millionaires and billionaires a year from Ghana. You it's good that you learn how to invest in the Ghanaian stock exchange. Mesre obesa yes adie na pe book ni bi nato 055 807 4986 ofre ana WhatsApp ya 100 cedis pe obenya ni PDF ana ni tree video say on person be stress ya there is a link in the comment box o click ya obenya book ni bi na tre say waken kan na we disujuma mesremo book no me ton na the only reason why I am selling the book, in fact book we na ka metumi atro e dey free, but the main reason why I'm selling the book and say me pese u read do sika to a and na obeye so adwuma intia na me ton book no. One day I'll tell you a story about why I have decided to sell my books. Anyway, young consem ni mo. I'll say Ghanaians will suffer intense hardship without E-levy. Supreme Court to minority. Yankin kind. And so you are seeing right in front of us. That time okuja to black kwamo. Eye Harun Idrisu. That time na Harun Idrisu mo. Eye minority leader. Or ye minority leader. Ni munta kamo ye whip no. I'll say the apex courts panel of 7 presided over by Justice Nene Amegashi in a unanimous onyankopon ono kwane no kwarefo ebusuanfo muni amokai that time no udi agro unanimous judges bako 7 etina case so omuni na unanimous decision also in a unanimous ruling said greater hardship will be caused to the Ghanaian if the electric transfer levy is injuncted. MPP for person mo pass E-levy no. The minority at the court say omo the injunction ekoto so. Judges no ekatre Ghana for say abayan pass E-levy na Ghana mine be bo. Judges no unanimous 7 judges katre and say Nyankopon eyana yerefi nyama yerefi nyama in a unanimous ruling, the court said greater hardship will be caused to the general public than if granted and subsequently dismissed the application. The court said the balance of hardship tilts in favor of respondents and the application is dismissed. The court, however, directed the Ghana Revenue Authority to keep accurate transfers of proceeds received so that after the substantive hearing, no one is disadvantaged if the decision goes in favor of the applicants. Subject matter was saying the minority leader Haruna Idrisu and 2 of his colleague MPs of the minority caucus filed the application at the Supreme Court to stop the Ghana Revenue Authority on April 19th from collecting the controversial E-levy which started on May 1st, 2022. The other 2 MPs are Mahama Ayariga of Tamale Central Constituency and Samuel Okujato Ablakwa of North Tong Constituency. Moving the application on Wednesday, May 4th, counsel for the plaintiffs, lawyer Eduji Tamakulu, said an irreparable damage will be caused to Ghanaians if the process is not halted. He also contended that at the time of the passage of the E-levy, only 136 were present, which was below the 138 needed for the passage, despite the records being corrected on March 31st to 137. Counsel argued that a member who was in the premises but was not in Parliament was counted subsequently. Godfrey Adame, the Attorney General, while opposing to the grant of the application, prayed for the application to be dismissed. And you see, NDC4 case a womude court ne say MPP make MPP for number womo a womude apasi E-levy ne kra no. Enso Ghana mratre say number no enye 138. Ansa ne tumi apase mbra MPs. That time MPP for only 136. And you see, the funny thing was that around that same time, MPP for ready budget. Emma NDC for right. I rejected budget no. MPP for the America Court, Supreme Court. Emma Supreme Court ruling almost say NDC for numbers now almost rejected budget no. No mundi 138 no. Ain't you know NDC for budget now wo mo abo egu no. NDC for budget no mo reject no. NDC for budget no mo abo egu no. Emfa Supreme Court ruling no. And NDC for no say ebo and they the same thing. Now MPP for also did the same number na kwakọ pass E-levy dia and the E-levy so emfa into Supreme Court judges nsem a wo mo ka judges nsem a mo kan no and say initially NDC for at the injunction ekoye. But aside injunction, there was the main case, right? So the main case is that E-levy no yembongu. Injunction no NSA or mobe jiji E-levy no men pene momunjeje. Judges na samo mo kan say yam pene mayanjiji E-levy na. Ghana krono bebo. Aturenchembe to yen. Nti osi e jiji E-levy no. Na main case na nkasa no because injunction no mubogu ye. Main case nankasa na tie for bisa say judges no omufre case ni bioma na up to lende ye hu baby a case ne fire the main case. This was the judiciary under President Akufo-Addo. Unanimous. He didn't even get one judge. So say wait the Nkrofo has made the unanimous 7-0. As according to the Attorney General, the application has no cause of action and no factual statistics have been filed in the court regarding March 29th proceedings in Parliament. The Attorney General argued that the application has no basis and should be dismissed, especially when the bill has now been passed into a law. Other members of the panel are Justice Professor Ni Ashikote, Justice Mariama Ousu, Justice Gertrude Tokonu. Judges on Motina case no. Gertrude Tokonu. Yoli Kulendi, Justice Lovelace Johnson, and Justice Professor Henrietta Mensabus. Henrietta Mensabus na. I mean, I just say. Anyway. That's just that. In Tiabusian 4. Asem no, no. Now, the reason why I am doing this story is very simple. Assembly ni nane say, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Baya wa cancel E-levy no. Seven period as a Ghana boy ana. Hey, and Mahama nyankupo inshira no because E-levy and MPP for musi ye cancel mine bebo. Oh, sorry. To be fair, and MPP for ne cancel mine bebo. Judges. E-levy na judges nsi ye cancel mine bebo no. Mahama Baya wa babe cancel na so mine ambo. And the dollar air 9 cedis. Hey, and the Mahama wayadio dollar by the may sure say by January be and the dollar era 8 cedis. Dollar enche be era 8 cedis. And the Mahama wayadio. Wow, I see. Ebusian for Montreal your comment box in why. But I say